everyone. I've just published a new mini course and it's called Paint the Emotion. And it's about painting lines, shapes, colors, but so that it communicates the emotion inside you. And it's also a mini course about how to connect all that with the visual voice that you want to find. This mini course is free for all the subscribers of my weekly emails, so go to www.peonyandparakeet.com and subscribe. Hello, I'm Päivi and welcome to my studio in Finland. I will be creating this floral abstract piece in acrylics and this one in watercolors. Before we start painting, let's look at how to build a bridge between the left and right brain, reason and emotion, sense and sensibility.